Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the dock on your Mac. In computing, particularly on macOS, the operating system for Mac computers, a dock refers to a graphical user interface element that provides quick access to frequently used applications and utilities. It's typically located at the bottom or side depending on your preference of the screen. And editing the dock on a Mac allows you to customize its appearance and behavior, including adding or removing applications, changing its position, and adjusting other settings. And here's how you can edit the dock. We first start with adding applications to the dock. As you see, I have all kinds of applications in my dock, but I want to add the App Store. You don't see the App Store anymore in my dock. And you can find the application you want to add to the dock in the Finder or Launchpad. We use the magnifying glass for it, and then we search for App Store, and as you see here, you see the App Store, and then you can drag the application to the dock. You click and hold the application icon, and then you drag it down to the dock until you see the dock make space for your application, and drop it where you want it to appear in the dock. So I want it to appear here, and voila, as easy as that. You made a mistake, you want to remove the App Store. Go with your mouse to the application, you click on Control, and then you click on your touchpad. Then you see here the options, and then you see remove from dock. And then you delete the application from the dock. You don't delete the application from your computer, from your Mac. That is how you remove the application from your dock. Then we can rearrange applications in the dock. And how you do that, you click and hold on any icon in the dock, drag it left or right to rearrange its position within the dock, and release to set the new position. So click and hold, and then drag it left, right, and release to set the new position. And now it's time for the next step, and that is changing the dock settings. And how you do that, how you access the system settings, is by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then you select system settings. Okay, perfect. And then you scroll down until you see desktop and dock here. Click on it. Here you can customize various dock settings. For example, the size. Drag the slider to adjust the size of the dock icons. As you see, they are very small now, and now they are large. Small and large. Okay, then you have the magnification, and you can check the box next to magnification to enable this feature, which enlarges icons when you hover them. So for now it's off, but I want to change it to large. And what happens next is this. So very large, too large for me. In the middle, this is okay. Okay, perfect. Then you have position on screen here. Choose whether the dock is positioned on the bottom, left, or right side of the screen. So mine is at the bottom, but you can also choose for left or right. And then you see the hover is bigger, but I want my dock at the bottom. Okay, these are the settings for the dock, but you can also use terminal. For more advanced customization, not recommended for inexperienced users, you can use terminal commands to tweak dock settings such as animation speed, pinning items, but be cautious when using terminal commands as they can modify system settings. You can also use the terminal to reset your dock to defaults. And if you want to reset your dock to its default settings, you can delete its preferences file. And how you do that, you open the terminal. So you go to the magnifying glass, search for terminal. Here you type the following code and then enter. And this command, as you see, will reset the dock to its factory state. And here you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's exploration. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, subscribe to How to Help Pro for more exciting content like this. See you next time. Bye bye.